Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jeff the IT Guy. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this. This is the PlayStation, or the Sony, whatever you want to call it, Pulse 3D wireless headset. This just came out on the 30th of October. You could pre-order it when you pre-ordered your PlayStation 5 back in September. And this works for the PlayStation 5, PS4, and PC. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to unbox it and give our first impressions of it. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, so here it is. This is the box. We're gonna unbox it. Let's talk about what it says. You know, show you the box and everything first. On this side it says fine-tuned for 3D audio on PS5 console. Not sure what that means. You know, maybe it's gonna, I don't know, be 3D or something. Maybe you need goggles for it. On the back, it says it's got two dual built-in microphones. Don't know how well that's going to be, but it's built into the headset. It says it gets 12 hours of battery from the built-in battery. It's easy to access, or easy access controls on the side of it. It does have a 3.5mm jack. So it's got refined ear pads, and it's got a wireless adapter. And on the other side, it shows what it is, what it will work with, which is PC and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what it looks like on the inside. Tell you what, they sure do like their tape. Grr. Grr. Like a tigger. Alright, so here we go. I'll show you what it looks like. If this is anything like any of the other PlayStation 5 stuff, it's going to be you know, lackluster on the unboxing. So let's see here. We got a control manual. Tells you about the features of it. Control manuals are always nice. And then you've got this box here that comes in it, right here. And this has, looks like our charging cable, and it is USB-C. Thank you so much, Sony, for not using micro USB anymore, mini USB. It is so glad to see USB-C coming. Here's your dongle. Looks like the dongles that were on some of the PlayStation 4s, and then you got your 3.5mm jack here. Okay, so that came in that box. Pretty lackluster packaging. And then here you've got the headsets, which have some foam in the bottom of it here. You can see some foam. So let's look at the headsets. They are continuing with the space age look, it seems, with these. So it does mirror what the PlayStation 5 is going to look like, which is a giant space age router. So as you can see here, it looks like it's got pretty thick ear pads. Those are pretty thick. They're soft. It's got like a pleather. You know, it's I don't know what this material is on the side. It's not mesh though, so it probably will cause extreme sweating. It's got a headband here. It does move. Okay, it feels pretty flexible. Hopefully they're sturdy. So got that. Tells you on right here, right and left. And this is what you have on the front. On the front though, on the bottom you got the power right here. On the left hand side, I'll show you that. Right there is the power. Okay, right in there. And then it's got some PlayStation logos on the side. Right there. And then flip it over, and on the left side is where all of your controls are. You've got your game and your chat audio, your monitor, it says off and on, your volume up and down, and then you can turn your mic on and off, and you've got your 3.5mm and your USB-C port all on the left. So everything on this is on the left. So it's going to go over your left ear. So this is what it looks like unboxed, but let's talk about impressions. So impression time of these bad boys. I really don't know what I feel like about them. They don't feel super sturdy. I would like to see mesh right here instead of this like pleather material. They do match, so if you're into matching, you know, like with your DualShock 5 or whatever they call it, your PS5, and then you get these bad boys, it'll be all matching. So it will match. I'll have to spend some time with these and see how well they work. Let's talk about putting it on your head. They're not uncomfortable. They're very light, which is pretty nice. So that'd be good for a long gaming session. They're not heavy. They do cancel out a lot of the sound. So it actually feels like I'm underwater right now because of myself talking. I can't actually hear myself as well as what I could with these off. So it does muffle quite a bit of the sound. They feel flexible and stuff, so that might be a good thing. So they're not super rigid. They don't feel like a pair of A50s by Astro or some expensive Corsairs. They don't feel like that. But of course they're not going to. These are only $99. These are not your top of the line, super duper, hardcore professional audio headphones or for professional gamers and stuff like that. These are to be accepted by the masses. And so I do like that it's got all the controls on the left side. Once you get used to it, you can be playing, take your left hand, boom, boom, boom. You can fix it on the fly. I like that it's got USB-C. Everything else with the PlayStation 5, like the controller and stuff, is going to be USB-C. The stuff on the Xbox Series X is going to be USB-C. And so it's really going to make it easier having, just less cables to have to manage instead of having micro USB and USB-C and proprietary. It's really great that it is all USB-C with these. That really helps out. It's awesome. They look great. Like I said, they are comfortable. So how do I look? They're not heavy and stuff, so they look comfortable. I just want to see how well they ventilate and stuff like that. So this has been my unboxing and first impressions. But before you go, hold on just 1 second. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to be unboxing a lot more of the PlayStation 5 accessories whenever they come in. We're going to be doing the same thing for the Xbox One series or the Xbox Series X. We're going to be unboxing both of those consoles, doing a review of both of those consoles, and I'm also going to show you all how to upgrade the NVMe storage inside of the PS5. So I'm going to show you what drives you need to buy, what capacities, how to do it. I'm going to be your hookup on how to expand the storage in your PlayStation 5 so that you do it correctly and that you get all the information you need to purchase the right drive. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss that stuff at all. We're going to be doing a lot of great things over the next couple months. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Are you picking up a PS5? Are you picking up an Xbox Series X? Are you picking up both? Are you going to pick up these headphones? What do you think about the headphones just by looking at them and stuff like that? Just leave a comment. I like talking to all of y'all. And y'all have a great day. And thanks for watching. And like I said, subscribe for more awesomeness here from Jeff the IT Guy. I will see all of you all later.